Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Digital cyber learning for kids. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi connects our device to the internet. It's like invisible magic waves. Don't click on unknown networks. Make a poster. Wi-Fi is like air, you can't see it, but it's there. Make a flashcard, Wi-Fi, signal, router. What is QR codes and barcodes? Visual web literacy. Where do we see them? Books, snacks, stores. How to scan safely? Ask an adult first. Don't scan strange codes. Activity, match barcode/QR used to its place, shop, book, website. What is scams, ads and pop-ups, for kids? If it looks too exciting, ask an adult. What is a pop-up? Don't click random ads or claim free gifts. Game idea, pop-up detective. Identify which is real/fake. Poster, stop. Think before you click. What is cyber math and logic? Combine cyber safety with thinking skills. Count devices in a smart home. Sort passwords by strength. Sequence game steps, algorithm basics. Activity, create a pattern password game. Which comes next in the login flow? What are chatbots and smart assistants? What is a chatbot? Example: ChatGPT, Google Assistant. What can it do? Answer questions, play music, tell jokes. When not to use it, never ask for personal info or passwords. Role-play activity, ask the robot, what's safe to ask? What is meme literacy for kids? What is a meme? A meme is a funny picture, a short video, a joke with text, something shared online that many people understand. Meme literacy is the ability to understand and create internet memes responsibly. What is emoji literacy for kids? Emoji literacy is the ability to understand what emojis mean and how they affect communication. What is digital locks and secrets? Real-world lock, digital password. Explain encryption in kid terms, like secret codes. Share story, Anjali's locked laptop adventure. Puzzle, crack the secret code, basic substitution cipher for fun. Cyber Lego or block builds. Combine physical toys with digital thinking. Build a model computer with Lego. Create a router, screen, and mouse. Explain each part. Worksheet, label your Lego computer. Bonus, encourage photos of builds to display or share in class. Digital citizenship passport. Gamify learning. Give a passport. Stamp each topic completed, like cyber safety, strong passwords, etc. Reward kids who complete all. Download editable PDF plus Canva version of passport. Comic strip stories. Kids love cartoons, turn cyber topics into comics. Story idea, Ravi's password problem. Comic strip boxes with dialogue balloons. Canva/PDF, printable comic templates plus characters. The Internet around the world. The Internet connects everyone around the globe. People in different countries also learn, talk, and play online. Languages, time zones, and access vary. Activity: draw a kid using the Internet in another country. The Internet around the world. The Internet connects everyone around the globe. People in different countries also learn, talk, and play online. Languages, time zones, and access vary. Activity: draw a kid using the Internet in another country. Digital empathy and feelings online. Words on screens can still hurt. Use emojis thoughtfully. Be kind, patient, and respectful even if you're upset. Role play, how would you feel, scenarios. Cyberbullying awareness. Words which are conveyed online can also hurt. Teach, be kind, block/report mean messages, tell a grown-up. Story roleplay, Maya gets a mean message, what should she do? Activity, kindness poster creation. Good versus bad notifications. Teach kids how to tell real from fake. What's a school message versus a scam pop-up? What to do when a notification appears. Activity, real or fake notification, game. Trust circles online. Who can you trust online? Only people you've met in real life. Stranger danger applies online too. Poster, people I can talk to online activity, draw your online trust circle. Fact versus fake, can we trust what we read? Teach the idea of fact-checking. Not everything you read or watch online is true. Show simple fake versus real news, e.g. cats can fly. Game, true or not true? Interactive PPT or flashcard set. Who keeps the internet safe? There are helpers like cyber police, parents, teachers, and IT experts. If something scary happens online, tell a trusted adult. Poster, My Internet Safety Helpers. Roleplay, Junior Cyber Officer. Internet timetable, screen time balance. Good screen habits. Study time. Game time. Sleep time. Create a healthy internet routine. Activity, make a daily internet clock. Worksheet, how much time do I spend online? DIY Internet Science. Let kids see how the internet works with hands-on models. Paper Cup Network. Teach about message sending. Internet Traffic Simulation. Use toy cars to simulate data. Scratch Junior Projects. Hands-on coding. Simple, guided projects. Project 1. Make a sprite save be safe online. Project 2. Create a quiz. Is this safe? With right/wrong answers. Handout. Scratch Junior step-by-step for kids. Option. Turn into YouTube tutorial episode. Cyber Progress Tracker. Use a colorful chart to mark learning progress. Sections: typing, mouse, internet, safety, games, coding. Stars, stickers, or points. Cyber Puppet Show. Make puppets, paper, sock, finger, of characters like Secure Sam teaches password tips. Clicky the Mouse avoids bad links. Bot Buddy teaches AI rules. Cyber Mind Games. Match the icon, drag and drop. Cyber Maze, reach the safe website. Emoji Stories, guess the cyber rule. App Store Safety, what to download. Teacher parents help kids with what apps are. What is a rating, 4+, 7+, etc. Why you must ask parents before downloading anything. Cyber Carnival Day. Workshop plan. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.